Okay, I'm going to call this part 5 of the STC Partmaker series with the 3D pocket sample. And we were having difficulty with getting a good finish using scallop at the end. And actually I've learned a trick online, my Fusion friends. If you click on this right here, oops, cancel. And if you have the normally these are all active, and I like seeing the toolpath, but if I want to see the finish without running simulate, you got to go down this panel here and shut these off, and you can actually get a pretty good look at what you're going to get. And that's about what I got. And I ran this twice and I realized that I need to try something different. So what I did is I just went in and I thought I would just try the next size down tool. I actually had to create one in my library, milling tool, ball end mill. And you can start off with a supplied library, but at some point you're probably going to have to create or add more tools to it. So I added a 3-flute ball end mill, and I was using my preset data, fast contour or finish contour, because finish is actually the tighter step overs. So it's kind of like just a basic setup. I'm going to select that one. I'm going to regenerate that one. And also kind of, and now I have my cycle times active. That says 27 minutes, wow. But let's just take a look at the finish. And that one looks pretty darn good. Better than it was before. What can I do about the time here? I'm at max RPM. Step over value I have at 5,000, so I'm going to change that to 0.01. 0, that's 10,000, so that technically should cut that in half. 14 minutes. And I think this is an 1/8 inch tool, so I have to think, can it go all the way? So I guess we'll have to experiment with that. I know we have one that we had finished, so I don't know if we remachined that or we went right to 1/8. But I think it might make it. If not, I would go 3/16 and maybe add pencil moves. That would probably be a good secondary selection. I might do a different video on that one. So I'm going to edit, and I'm just going to increase the feed rate to 2.5 thousandths per tooth. Oh, actually, I'm going to make that 3. 0.003. That's 72 inches a minute. Hit OK. And now we're down to 9 minutes. Okay, I guess when we get out the machine, we can check that. Tool 6. And on my second side, I have tool 6 also. So I'll deal with that. But I would like the tools to match, even though I got the same tool number. Because I believe the second side, you benefit from the same tool without having to change. All right, so I could do full simulate now with Vice, and we simulate this. Oops, do we have anything active here? What's going on? There we go, simulate. And I've been using the comparison a lot lately. And I can go like step 1, step 2, that's roughing, step 3, that's smaller roughing, step 4, that's contour finish, step 5, another contour, 6, more contouring, 7, more contouring, and now we're getting to some chamfering. 1 chamfer, 2 chamfer. I think we were worried about being too close here. Looks okay. And we got spot drill, and then the final one would be this cutter. So it starts off in the middle and works its way out. Hopefully it gets back to the middle again, but it should do that. I kind of like this comparison because it really tells me if I'm aligned to the model or not. I did like the idea of the operation changes, so I understand that it's same tool but different operation. But I think in the end, I like this. Come on, get the middle. There we go. And man, it looks a lot smoother. Total cycle time, this is on an 8,000 RPM machine, is 21 minutes. Okay, not too bad. I mean, we can always learn to step on the gas while we're out there, but if we had a 12,000 RPM machine, that would be 30% faster. So, but that's our limitations, and we'll have to work with our limitations. Okay, and that would take care of getting the best finish in the bottom of that with smaller end mills. Talk to you later.